This beautiful 3,200 square foot home's nestled on a wooded waterfront lot with expansive views of Rock Lake, rated one of southern Wisconsin's clearest and best lakes for boating. Enjoy boating? Then you'll appreciate having your own private dock and boathouse. Neighbors say they love living just down the road from charming Lake Mills with nearby grocery, shopping, parks, movie theater, health clubs, spas, and restaurants, all just minutes from the interstate. Entertaining is easy with a massive eat-in kitchen that opens to flexible living areas for lively entertaining and cozy private spaces for enjoying a peaceful moment. Lake views are maximized from every room of the home. The lower level offers full exposure and features another large bedroom with a walk-in closet, full bathroom, living room, and second full kitchen and laundry room. A space perfect for overnight guests. Surely you'll love the large private master suite, complete with its own bathroom, laundry room, and huge walk-in closet. Beautiful, easy-to-clean surfaces, plenty of storage, a large two-car garage, and countless other amenities make for a low-maintenance homeowner experience. This amazing home and the lifestyle it affords can be yours, but don't wait. Schedule a showing today. With unparalleled location, layout, and amenities, this home is a fantastic value, and you don't want to miss this opportunity.